Jacob, this is the hours of labor that we put in to make your birthday that amazing.
Isn't that awesome? Look at that cake.
See? Do you want to give a commentary on it, Marita?
Okay, well, okay. First we actually had to go out and buy the stuff. So we had to walk across the road.
In the rain.
In the rain to Harris Teeter, where Foster could have seen us.
Yeah, just saying. That's already red danger zone.
Just saying. Danger zone there. So we had to go there, and we had to go buy your little cake mix-ins and whatnot. And we had to actually buy a cake pan, because Kara's father doesn't own one. And
a single bachelor doesn't make cake.
Well, he should. So anyway, and then we mixed it all together. And I went like, it was fun.
I said bippity boppity boo, and, you know, the cake was just even more amazing.
Go catch it.
Go catch it, Dick. Okay, Jake, we don't know when, but whenever you're losing your virginity to whatever lucky woman, you have to say go gadget, Dick.
Do it.
Do it.
It'll make it that much.
Mari and you need to record it for Mari.
Okay, so anyways, I'm sorry. After that, we had to come and we had to preheat this nonsense. And the cake went into here. Lovely little oven. You'll see pictures of that. And you'll see pictures of Kara putting it in there. Because I'm that awesome. No. And then we had to let it bake. And then
it took forever. We
really
wrote you these amazing cards, which Mari self-linoate was over. See?
Here's that one.
Yeah, it's the artistic one.
My favorite one.
Yes.
And
that's like a book written inside of that card. It's going to take you a while to read it.
So these are awesome.
Yeah.
Deal with it. Okay.
Oh, and then we got you the awesome 17 candles, which if you turn them around, you're 71 years old. Old man.
But we'll keep you 17 for now. Okay.
Yeah.
So after that, we took it out and we let it cool. And then we did the cool releasey thingy because we got this awesome
Yeah. See, it's like
show it to them.
you can like okay, ready?
All right, ready? See this latch?
And the bottom like pops out.
It's awesome.
It is.
It really is. And watch, it like
Closes back in.
expands. It's
See,
awesome.
that's
Okay.
the coolest shit I've ever seen.
It really is. Miss Patty needs one of these.
And we had to do all these dishes. Okay, actually, my dad did those.
But we're making our labor soon more. So.
That's happy birthday from my daddy did the dishes.
Okay. And then we had to spread this awesome frosting.
Explain the meaning to all the symbols on this cake.
Oh. Okay, well, you're almost legal. You're not quite there yet. You're 17, not 18. You're not legal, so don't do any crazy crap. All right. C and M, that's me and Kara. Hi. Awesome. We're awesome. Love you. And then, okay. And then it's a heart, because we do love you a lot.
You have no idea.
I'm going to rape you.
Moving on.
And this little symbol down here, this awesome little one, itty bitty little teeny wee, itty bitty polka dot bikini.
It means friendship in Korean.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So, yeah.
And then over here's the C and M for Care Bear and Mari-chan.
And you're not legal. So, yeah. And it's in green because it's your favorite color.
Yeah, we took that into account. I wanted to get pink frosting, but Mari
but
said
green
gay.
and pink together look pretty gay.
Yeah. But he's already a male dancer. I mean...
Well, plus not to mention his little fling with Johnny.
Yeah, him and Johnny are right. Johnny's cheating on him.
Johnny's got Nick.
Oh, he's a little whore. Well, anyway, we just wanted to say happy birthday
and guess
to
what?
my best friend.
This is your birthday song. It is very long. It's done.
Yeah, there you go. But we love you very much, and we hope that you enjoy eating this cake. And you better get your ass over here to pick it up tomorrow. No eating the camera, Mari. No.
Aww,
No.
I never get to eat anything.
All right. Say goodbye.
Bye, Jacob.
We love you forever. Shut. No. He's mine. He's mine.
No.
Love you.
Hey, wait. Happy birthday. Bye.